Eggs, come on, we all love them, whether it's breakfast, lunch or dinner. So today, I'm gonna show you my favorite way to cook eggs. Scrambled and fried.
Let's make scrambled eggs with Gordon Ramsay.
Start off in a cold pan, and the secret here is the working, when you go on and off the heat.
So let's start with cold pan.
Crack the eggs.
Cracking my left egg with 2 hands.
Sorry, children.
Knobs of butter.
Squeezing every drop of ghee into the pan.
I'm off for 30 seconds, I go back on. I turn the gas down, and we whisk.
Whisking until my hands fall off. You don't know the strength in the single man's left hand.
Sorry, children.
And when you make scrambled eggs like this, in a stunning non-stick pan. Hiya!
It's looking like some kind of pre-digested fruit from 16th century.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
I'm adding chili oil to make it look and taste better.
Woo!
Yeah!